Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Arena Breakout, the ultimate multiplayer first-person shooting game for mobile devices, has a closing beta test at the moment with high-quality graphics giving the experience like a PC games, which puts you right in the heart of the action. You collect the combat items and food items as you fight your way through multiple levels, but be careful, if you die, you lose everything and return to the game empty-handed. Arena Breakout offers a thrilling and unique gaming experience for players who are ready for a challenge. Currently in beta testing in the Playstore for selected countries like United States, United Kingdoms, Australia, Canada and other few countries mentioned in their website. Today, I am going to show you how you can install from the Playstore other than the above country list. Come, let's install the download the game. You need to have a VPN application which should have above mentioned country list. Here I am going to use HTTP injector which I already installed here. You can simply search and get it from the Play Store. Before we setting up the VPN, we search for Arena Breakout. You can see here it is not available in my Play Store in my country. So now we have to connect the VPN and get it installed. Before connecting the VPN, we have to delete the cache memory of Play Store. For that, go to the app info, then storage, then click here, clear cache memory. Okay, now cancel it from the recent. Okay, now open the VPN application and follow my steps. Here we have to select SSH and non-direct here, save that, then click start here. Then you need to choose the server. United States here, and you can choose whatever is green here. I am going to choose the first one. Now click start. You can see here VPN has connected. Now we go to the Play Store. Now search for Arena Breakout. You can see the application is now available in my Play Store. Click here to install. Select now all networks. VPN is needed only to download the game from the Play Store. After downloading the game, you need to download the resources of this game. For that, you can use your own network. No need of VPN after that. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.